I'm 34, overweight, and starting my comeback journey. And it sucks, man. Honestly, it is been one of the toughest challenges of my life of getting myself to a situation whereby I decide to take personal responsibility for the situation I'm in. Whether that's my weight, whether that's my financial situation, whether that's my relationships, whether that's my work, my professionalism, my personal life, whatever it is, it's my responsibility to improve it. And this is why I'm documenting this journey. What led me to this point was a very simple incident, actually two incidences, where once I had to go up the stairs and I realized, oh my God, I'm out of breath walking up the stairs and I don't feel comfortable in my own skin. I would wear something, it wouldn't look right, and I would not wear that again. It sucked, man. It sucks to be in a situation where you're overweight and you're not confident in who you are, how you look, how you feel, because that man that looks back at you in the mirror is not who you once dreamed of being. And this is what it's about. It's about learning how to let go of your previous experiences, let go of your previous self, and embrace the new challenge and new self. So, I wasn't feeling too great about myself. And secondly, man, I'm just sick and tired of being in this situation where I'm feeling less than in anything in my life. I was 165 kilos. To put it in context, that's 365 pounds. Human beings aren't supposed to be weighing that much. And I was just working myself because life happened. I lost my sister, I lost my father at a young age, and life happened. Lost business, life happened. I started having anxiety attacks and just getting stressed and just eating my emotions, and it was very tough. However, the current situation I'm in full-time employment by the grace of God. I'm 130 kilos, so I've lost over 35 kilos. That's over 80 pounds. I work out 3 to 4 times a week. I do jiu-jitsu, I grapple back again, and I'm doing that like 3 to 4 times a week. I've also competed in jiu-jitsu and I've won gold, absolute gold. So things are good, man. Things are good. So my daily routine is very simple, man. Wake up at a set time, ideally uncomfortable time. So 5:30, 5 o'clock, pray, then get to the gym, have a good workout. Come back, eat your breakfast, go to work. After work, record like what I'm doing now, and then get on the mats. I'm doing that, and then come back, read, go to sleep. And if there's any bit of editing to do, I'll do that. But that's my life. That is my current reality. So what you ask, what is different this time? So what's different this time is very simple. I'm sick and tired of not being proud of myself, man. All my life, I've just kind of awaited this moment, waiting for this moment of where I feel like I finally reached something so I can be proud of. Mind you, there's been amazing things that have happened over the course of my life, right? But I've never been present, man, never been able to say, you know what, I'm proud of you. So this journey is about becoming the person I'm proud of and going through hardship and figuring something out and just saying, you know what, I chose a goal which was difficult. I chose to do something and I accomplished it. In the process, there's been ups and downs, but I never lost sight of what is important and why I'm doing this. And this is why I'm so passionate about the Misogi. The Misogi is an ancient Japanese philosophy. It's about doing an annual challenge, a purification ritual for the soul, for the body, for your mental, to cleanse it by doing something hard, an annual difficult challenge. For me, and part of the Misogi is I can't tell you what my challenge is, but for my weight loss is getting below 100 kilos, also competing my first high rocks, right? So going back to Misogi, it's doing an a challenge where you have 50% chance of succeeding and 50% chance of failing. That's how difficult it has to be. So, saying that, why am I putting myself into this position where I've got 50-50 chance of failing or succeeding? It's because you need to explore what you're truly made of. You need to explore what your whole potential is. If we just stick here, if we just operate from this circle of influence, we don't know what we're capable of until we push those limits. And we can only push those limits if we have something great to do. And this is what I'm doing. So my first challenge is a physical challenge. I need to get below 100 kilos and complete my first high rocks. And if you are in a similar situation where you're thinking, I need to change my life, I want to create the man I'm proud of, then I implore you, join me, show me some love. I will keep it transparent. I will keep it 100 with you. You give me one, I will give you twice as much honesty and transparency. If you are not proud of where you are, join me, man. Join the Misogi movement. This is what it's about. Doing something difficult, conquering something difficult, and to come on the other side and being proud of the person that looks back in the mirror. So if you think I've added something to you, if you're curious about whether I pass or whether I fail this challenge, join me. Show me some love. Give me a follow, share, subscribe. Thank you very much for your time. I'll see you Thursday.